Hi there! Has your startup already achieved its first sales? Now you want to raise money from investors, so your valuation needs to be prepared. We have a training for you to support you on the way. My name is Petra Wolkenstein. Business valuation is an essential part of my work with startups and accelerators. And I will guide you through our training, Startup Valuation. How to calculate your startup value, evaluation methods and practical calculation examples. By the end of the course, you will clearly understand the different valuation methods for startups, risk factor summation and venture capital valuation method, the scorecard valuation method, discounted cash flow method, and company valuation based on multiples. How to use valuation methods to prepare for investor meetings, where to get benchmark data, and how to prepare your argumentation and how to defend the value of your startup. Ready to save time with a great course? I invite you to join Konsultori.